everybody, welcome back with Cooking with Chef Pup. We're definitely bringing the good stuff. But today I had an idea. I got a little hungry and I said, you know what, I want a burger. All right, right now I can't cook no burgers outside due to the fact that they're cutting some trees down, and also the air quality is really bad. It's very foggy and you can smell the smoke in the house. All this smoke and the smell is coming from Canada. The fire is just going on there. All right, but what I have an idea to do, I'm gonna use a waffle maker to make a hamburger. I have a George Foreman, but I wanted to try it with a waffle maker. You know, what else can you cook in a waffle maker instead of just waffles? So let me get the area set up and we'll move on. As you can see, I got the waffle maker up to temperature, but what I already did, I sprayed the top and the bottom with Pam. So I got a piece of ground meat here, that I'm gonna flatten out into this whole area, all right? And we're gonna see what happens. Give me a minute. All right. So give me a second and I shall return. I got the ground meat flattened out as best as I can. And I'm gonna attempt to put it on this waffle maker. I want to get it all on there. And see how this is gonna work out. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna give it a close. Squeeze down on it and lock it in and twist it. All right, I don't know how long it's gonna take. Let's just get a time check. Right now it's 4:13. So we're gonna see how long this is gonna take. Just an experiment. If anybody wanna try it, you can try it, but let's see how fast it cooks a burger. All right now you can see the grease dripping down into the plate down here. All right, I'm gonna give it a spin up. It's definitely doing something. It's definitely doing something. Oh, once again, when you make something, make it your own. Make it your own. You will enjoy it. It's yours. All right, they're cutting these trees down big time out here. All right, that's a big baby too that they're cutting down. All right, but let me get back to this here and I'll be right back. All right, let me open it up and see what she looks like right now. Well, looks like she's doing something there. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let me close her up and flip it back over. Lock it and flip it. I'll be right back. All right, let me take another look at it. See what it looks like. Oh yeah, it's coming along real good. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can cut them in the triangles. But if you had a square one that makes square waffles, it would be better. Be like a Wendy's burger. You can make the square burgers. Let it go for a little bit longer. All right, so I shall return. This is the view from my kitchen window, what they're doing. They're taking this big tree down. They've been here since this morning. All right, but the air quality outside is really bad. And these guys are working hard. All right, I shall return when this burger is done. All right, we're about 19 minutes in. No, excuse me. No, we're actually about 7 minutes in right now, because we started at 4:13. Yeah, we're about 7 minutes in with this burger. All right, let's take a look at it. Oh, wrong side. I'm gonna call this one that this one is actually done. So what I'm going to do Remove it to the plate. Let me unplug this. All right, get that out of the way. Clean up some of this grease that fell down. And we're gonna cut into it. And we are looking at a done burger. The spatula. So we're looking at the doneness, well done burger. It's the way I like it. Either medium rare, medium well, or well done is good for me. All right, but that was about 8 minutes. 8 minutes. All right, so I'll be right back when I build my burger. All right, I'm gonna start building my burger, but you know what? I just decided I'm gonna build it. I'm gonna put these 4 patties on one burger with some chopped lettuce and some chopped tomatoes. So first things first, each his own. Let me get a little base going here. A little base on the top. All right. So 1 burger, 2 burger, 3 burger, and 4 burger. And I'm gonna take me a couple of pieces of lettuce. Of lettuce and a couple of pieces of tomato. All right. And I want a little bit more ketchup on my bun. Top it. And then there we go. 1, not even a triple, quadruple, I guess that's what you call it, burger. Done on a waffle maker. All right. So I'm gonna take a bite into this, be right back. So if you like this video of this a waffle maker making a hamburger in a waffle maker, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. I had nothing to do, so this is what I thought of, all right? Waffle maker, George Foreman, they all do the same thing. But it works fine. But if you have a square one, it'll be a lot better because you can make like the Wendy's hamburgers, the square burgers. All right, so like I said, subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you guys on the next future video.